We're here with Tony McGee, the owner of HNM Enterprises. It's a new client of ours with Insurance HR, PEO Pros. Tony, first of all, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, John.
Glad to have you. The people that need to call HNM Enterprises are
People who are doing, we're a third-party logistics management company. We also focus on freight forwarding, custom brokering, FF&E. So anyone that has any needs in those different areas. And FF&E, in case you didn't catch it, John, is furniture, fixtures, and equipment. So we can get anything, any place, anytime, whether it's air, sea, or ground. We have two core competencies, John. First would be freight forwarding and logistics management. So we can ship anything, anywhere, anytime. Secondly, we do FF&E. We do the ordering and we do the installation. We primarily work with the schools, stadiums and arenas, hospitality, and healthcare. Those are our major fields that we concentrate and focus on. A couple of our major clients would be Disney, as well as we did a scope of work on the Amway Arena, which hosts our annual match.
Go Bengals. Okay, so I now have an idea now. If I see some people in hotels, I might say, like, you know, who's doing your furniture, fixtures, and equipment?
Well, actually, you would want to get a project manager for one of the construction management firms, or you want somebody in the procurement department for the different hotels, or time shares, because they constantly refurbish every so often, so there's always work coming available. As a matter of fact, I had a meeting with Disney today. They'll be doing 5,000 rooms in Orlando this year, so there's some work out there.
So what did the PEO do for you, Tony?
The PEO essentially made my life easy, and the reason why I say that is because prior to that, being a small business owner, I'm tasked with reporting the hours for payroll, making sure that I go pick the checks up, deliver them.
Tell me about workers' comp insurance.
Workers' comp insurance is a challenge, and anyone that tells you that it's not a challenge, they're lying to you. And what working with the PEO has done for me is taking that challenge off my plate. So as a small business owner, it gives me the opportunity to go out and build business and not spend all my time trying to bid insurance out to different brokers waiting for underwriters to give me a response.
You now know what your employees cost you. You got a set cost, right? That helps you with your bid process a lot, doesn't it?
Absolutely. When you know what your complete burden is for your workers, you know what you can go in and bid on a project, and more importantly, you know what your profit margins are, or can be, when you're on different projects and different scopes. So as you're building work and looking to build your business, you kind of understand what your costs are. And in a service industry like we perform, cost is the defining factor in terms of controlling that as to whether or not you're going to be successful or a failure.
Right, your cash flow has a lot to do with that, right? You know your bottom line.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then I think too, and it's this time of year when everyone starts to prepare themselves for the taxes. I'm expecting next year, by signing up with Integrity through PEO Services, PEO Pros, that this will be a seamless process for me next year.
It won't even be your problem. They'll do it.
And that's the beauty of it. It's someone else's problem to deal with. Okay. So as a small business owner, I can go out and, like I said, focus and concentrate on building and developing my business.
There were some things you didn't understand before, and we were able to help explain those to you?
Yeah, I think we hear FUTA, SUTA, FICA, and all the other different taxes that we pay, but sometimes we don't totally understand them. We understand them when they're being deducted from our check. So that's made my life a lot easier to not have to deal with those issues.
Okay. You said we came up first on the Google search. I'll thank the website guys for that. But is there anything else we did that you particularly liked?
I know exactly what I'm going to be charged based on the amount of time that my workers are under the PEO services. So that really made a clean process for me.
So it made your business easier.
It made my life easier. Now I have to go and get paychecks and pick them up and wait for people to come and get them. This direct deposit, they come once a week. I don't have to do a pay cycle every 2 weeks, so it just makes things a lot more convenient and efficient in terms of running a small business.
All right, well, thanks for joining us. This will be up soon, and stay tuned. There's more success stories coming.